Hey, welcome back. If you thought Senate hearings were boring, think again. I just watched Senator John Kennedy absolutely grill Judge Karoline Mehalchick in the Judiciary Committee, and honestly, it felt less like a hearing and more like a legal interrogation. So here's what went down. Judge Mehalchick was up for a federal judgeship. Big deal, right? She's got experience, already a magistrate judge. But Kennedy came out swinging. From the jump, he was rattling off case after case where her decisions were reversed.
Congratulations to all of the nominees. Judge Mehalchick, you remember a case called Yentzer v. Potter County?
I have a recollection that I presided over that case. I don't know if I recall the details of it.
Okay, and you were reversed, is that right?
I believe that was a case that I issued. I was a magistrate judge in that role and in the referral role on it, and it was reviewed by the district court, yes.
And you were reversed, right?
I don't recall in that case if the report and the recommendation was adopted in full or not adopted in full, but yes.
The higher court said you incorrectly analyzed qualified immunity and you incorrectly cited the 11th Amendment.
I mean, he had receipts, one after another. Yentzer v. Potter County, Myers v. Clinton County Correctional Facility, Dennis v. Sheridan, even Spanier v. Libby, the Penn State scandal case. Kennedy was basically reading her a list of legal greatest misses, pushing the idea that she just gets it wrong. A lot. Now, to be fair, reversals happen to every judge. That's the system. Appellate courts exist for a reason. But Kennedy wanted to make it look like it was more than just bad luck or tough breaks. He framed it as a pattern.
Do you remember a case called Myers v. Clinton County Correctional Facility?
I recall that case as well.
And you were reversed in that case too, weren't you?
I believe it was adopted in part, yes.
Do you remember a case called Dennis v. Sheridan?
Yes, I believe I recall that case as well.
And you were reversed in that case too?
I believe that R&R was not adopted in full, correct, yes.
Okay, but you were reversed.
It was not adopted, yes,
Is that
by
the
the
same
district
thing
court.
as being reversed?
It's a different, the district court declined to adopt the report and
The
recommendation.
higher court
in
said
full.
you were wrong.
The district court disagreed with my report, yes.
Yeah, okay. Do you remember a case called Shania v. East Pennsboro?
Yeah, the Shanias are pro se plaintiffs who have brought a number of cases, so I'm not sure which one you're referring to, but yes.
I'm just curious, you were reversed in that case too, were you not?
In part, yes.
Okay. Do you remember a case called Spanier v. Libby?
Yes, I do.
The president of Pennsylvania State University was convicted of covering up child sex abuse crimes. And you let him go on a habeas corpus petition. And the Third Circuit reversed you, is that right?
I directed that a new trial should be held with a different jury instruction, and the Third Circuit disagreed and found that he had received the due process he was entitled to, yes.
Well, the Third Circuit said you failed to cite, analyze, or properly apply the relevant case law. You were reversed, right?
The Third Circuit reversed my decision, yes.
Okay. Do you remember a case called Hassel v. Centric Bank?
I vaguely recall that case, yes, Senator.
You were reversed, weren't you?
I believe the district court failed to declined to adopt my recommendation,
Okay.
yes.
Do you remember a case called Ramsey v. Amtrak?
Yes, I do.
And the higher court reversed you in that case too, didn't they?
The district court concluded that I was correct in finding that the petitioner did not pay a filing fee, and where I had recommended that the case be dismissed, he granted the petitioner 30 days to correct that.
So you were reversed in part?
Yes.
Okay. Do you remember a case called McCracken v. Fulton County?
Yes, I do.
You were reversed in that case too, weren't you?
I believe that was in part, yes.
You remember a case called Bird v. Britton?
I do.
And were you reversed in that case?
In part, yes.
Okay. You remember whoa, I'm sorry.
He zeroed in on issues like qualified immunity and constitutional rights, hinting that maybe her approach is just off. Then, plot twist. Kennedy brings up that Mehalchick was previously blocked from nomination by another senator, Pat Toomey, who wouldn't even let her get a hearing. That's the blue slip drama, a real inside politics move. Mehalchick said she didn't know why hadn't been nominated, but the implication was harsh. Maybe she just isn't cut out for the job.
In fact, you've been nominated before, haven't you?
No, I have not, sir.
Well, your nomination was talked about, and Senator Toomey refused to send in a blue slip for you, did he not?
I'm not sure exactly what happened. I know that this process has been ongoing for 2 years.
Yeah, but you know that Senator Toomey refused to even thought you were so unqualified that he refused to even allow the Judiciary Committee to consider you. Isn't that correct?
I do not know what Senator Toomey's reasons were. So
You never talked to Senator Toomey about it?
I never discussed it with Senator
And
Toomey.
you don't know anything about a blue slip being withheld on you?
I do not know.
You're under oath.
I am under oath, and I know I did not speak with Senator Toomey about his reasons for not.
Was Senator Toomey's concern that you were unqualified?
Again, Senator, I did not speak with Senator Toomey or his staff about his reasons for not supporting me.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Senator. Senator Hirono.
Look, this wasn't just a job interview, this was high-stakes political theater. And to me it says a lot about how fragile these nominations really are. All it takes is one senator, a stack of paperwork, and suddenly your whole career is under a microscope on live TV. So, was Kennedy being thorough or just ruthless? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you want more breakdowns like this, don't forget to subscribe. Stay sharp, stay informed.